Guess what? Ava, guess what? Somebody sent you a birthday present.
Me?
For you? Yep. You gonna open it? Here, here. Sit down. Here. Can you tear it open?
Me?
Yeah. Can you pull it? Pull it hard. Oh. Oh, wait. It's wrapped. Cool. What's in there?
What?
Pull it out. Ooh, you're doing a good job. It says, I hope Ava doesn't think this is caca. Awesome. What's in there?
What?
Open it up.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah?
What is it? Is it a cowgirl?
Yeah.
Is it a dress?
No.
I think it's a dress. Casey and Denise made you a cowgirl dress.
No, yeah.
There's no horse. Say thank you. Tell them thank you. Bye-bye.